Equality of matrices. Two matrices are equal if and only if they have the same order and corresponding elements are equal. So let's take a look at the formal definition and then we'll look at some examples. Our formal definition says that two matrices, A and B, are equal if and only if they have the same order M by N and A sub I j equals B sub I j for I equals 1, 2 to M and j equals 1, 2 to N. And what that means is that I is the number of elements per row, so that's why we start with 1 row, 2 rows, and then finish off with M rows. And J is the number of elements per column, so that's why we start off with 1 column, 2 columns, and then finish off with N columns. So let's take a look at some equal matrices. For example, if we have A equals X, Y plus 1, Z 6, and B equals 1, 5, 3, 6, then A and B are equal, or we could say A equals B, if and only if X equals 1, because those two elements would have to be equal here. Y plus 1 equals 5. Z equals 3. And of course, we know that 6 equals 6, so we don't even have to list that one, because you can notice here that they are already equal. 6 and 6 are already the same.